Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Concepts. Today in this video, let's continue Python Advanced Concept Decorators. Let's get started. As I said earlier in the previous video, decorators are used to modify the behavior of functions or class. In decorators, functions are taken as the argument into another function and then called inside the wrapper function. Now look at the syntax. Look at the first three lines. In the first line, you will have decorator name. I have used @sign. So we can use this symbol along with the name of the decorator function and place it above the definition of the function to be decorated. Okay. So here you have hello decorator function. Then inside the function you will have statements. Fine. So these three lines, okay, these three lines are equivalent to these three lines. Okay. Here CS decorator is a callable function. We'll add some code on the top of some another callable function, hello decorator function, and return the wrapper function. Now let's take an example to know more about decorators. We all know that decorators can modify the behavior. Okay, look at this example and please ignore the numbers which I have mentioned in the left hand side. Fine. In the first line, I have defined a decorator. Okay. Then second line, you will have def in1, which means in1 is a wrapper function in which the argument is called. Here in1 is an inner function that can access the outer local functions, like in this case func function. Okay, I mean function name is func. Fine. Then you will have print statement. Then look at this function func. Here you're calling the actual function inside the wrapper function. Okay. Then you have print statement. Then you have to return in1. Fine. Then here def function. Here you are defining a function to be called inside the wrapper function. So fun, know the difference. Okay. First I have created a function named func and now fun. So this is, in this line you are defining a function to be called inside wrapper. Okay. Then you will have print statement. Then fun is equal to hello deco fun. Here you are passing function inside the decorator to control its behavior. Okay. This line I'm talking about. This line. Then the last line, fun. Here you're calling the function.